Welcome back to Talk Easy English.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about habits in English.
Habits are the things we do every day, again and again.
Some habits are good for us. Some habits are bad for us.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us.
Let's get started.
So, Jack, do you know what a habit is?
Yes, a habit is something you do regularly without thinking about it. It's automatic. What about you? Do you think about your habits?
Sometimes. A habit can be good or bad. For example, brushing your teeth every morning is a good habit.
Exactly. And checking your phone too much is a bad habit. I do that sometimes.
Me too. It's hard to stop.
Let's talk about good habits first. What good habits do you have in the morning, Emma?
I always make my bed right after I wake up. It makes my room look nice and it makes me feel organized. What about you?
That's a great habit. I always drink a big glass of water when I wake up. It's healthy and it wakes up my body.
Oh, I should do that. I usually drink coffee first.
Water first, then coffee. That's better for you.
Now, let's be honest. What bad habits do you have, Jack?
Oh, no. Okay, I have a bad habit. I often stay up too late at night. I watch videos on my phone and then I can't sleep. What about you? What's your bad habit?
I have the same problem. I also look at my phone before bed. Another bad habit I have is I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry.
Skipping breakfast is not good. Breakfast is important.
I know. I'm trying to change it.
Let's talk about healthy habits. Do you exercise regularly, Emma?
I try to. I go for a walk every evening after dinner. It's about 20 minutes. It helps me relax. Do you exercise?
I go to the gym twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday, but I want to go more often.
Twice a week is good. What about unhealthy habits? Do you have any?
Yes, I eat too much fast food. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. It's convenient, but not healthy.
I understand. My unhealthy habit is I drink too much coffee, sometimes 4 or 5 cups a day.
Wow, that's a lot of coffee.
Some habits can be expensive. Do you have any expensive habits, Jack?
Oh yes, I always buy coffee from a cafe every morning. I spend about €5 every day. That's €150 a month.
That is expensive. Why don't you make coffee at home?
I know I should, but the cafe coffee tastes so good. What about you? Do you have expensive habits?
I buy too many books. I love reading, so I buy new books every week. Sometimes I spend €50 a month on books.
At least books are good for you. Emma, if someone wants to start a new good habit, what advice do you have?
That's a great question. I think you should start small. Don't try to change everything at once. For example, if you want to exercise, start with just 5 minutes a day.
I agree. Start small. I also think it's important to do it at the same time every day. That way it becomes automatic.
Yes, like if you want to read more, read for 10 minutes every night before bed. Same time, same place.
Exactly. And be patient. It takes time to build a new habit, maybe 30 days or more.
Jack, we used many important words when we talked about habits.
Let's review them together.
The first word is habit. A habit is something you do regularly, often without thinking.
For example, I have a habit of drinking water in the morning. It's automatic now.
Good habits help you. Bad habits hurt you.
The next word is always. Always means 100% of the time, every time. For example, I always brush my teeth before bed. I never forget.
I always make my bed in the morning. It's my routine. Often means many times, but not always. Maybe 70–80% of the time.
For example, I often eat fast food. Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week.
I often check my phone. Too often, actually.
Sometimes means occasionally, not very often, maybe 30–40% of the time.
For example, I sometimes skip breakfast. Not always, just when I'm very busy.
I sometimes go to bed late, maybe once or twice a week.
Healthy means good for your body and mind.
For example, exercise is healthy. Eating vegetables is healthy.
Unhealthy is the opposite. It's bad for you.
For example, smoking is unhealthy. Eating too much sugar is unhealthy. The last word is regularly. It means you do something on a schedule with consistency.
For example, I exercise regularly. I go for a walk every evening.
I go to the gym regularly, twice a week, same days, same time.
Now it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Today, we have 2 questions for you.
Question number 1. What is one good habit you have?
My good habit is I always drink water first thing in the morning. It wakes up my body.
My good habit is I make my bed every single day. It makes me feel organized.
Question number 2. What is one bad habit you want to change?
My bad habit is I stay up too late watching videos. I want to sleep earlier.
My bad habit is I drink too much coffee. I want to drink more water instead.
Now it's your turn. Please answer both questions in the comments below.
We read every comment and we love learning about your habits.
So today, we learned how to talk about habits in English.
We talked about good habits like making your bed, drinking water, and exercising.
We also talked about bad habits like staying up late, eating fast food, and checking phones too much.
We learned important words like always, often, sometimes, healthy, and unhealthy.
Remember, everyone has good habits and bad habits. It's normal.
The important thing is to try to build more good habits and change the bad ones.
Thank you so much for watching.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.